prawn toast is a takeaway favourite, but do you know how to make it? I'm going to be making my version of prawn toast. It's delicious, super easy to make, and I can't wait to show you how good this is. First up, you need to get yourself a tiny blender. Fun fact, this is the only blender I used for the entirety of my MasterChef prep. So if I can do it in this, anyone can. Add 180 grams of prawns, get them all in there. 1 chilli, and take out the seeds unless you're like feeling super brave. Knob of ginger, peeled and roughly chopped. 1 garlic clove. 3 spring onions, roughly chopped again. Try not to overfill your blender, unless you're me. Right, so what we're gonna do is blend it up into a rough paste. It's still a little chunky, and we're gonna add in about a teaspoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon of soy, and crack in 1 egg. I've been practicing the 1-hand egg crack. Right, so you'll have this like pasty thing, and you need to thicken it up slightly just so it holds together when we fry it. We're gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and then give that another mixy. Now, look at that. Ooh. It's not dropping off the spoon. So when you've got something that looks like it's not dropping off the spoon, we're good. Bread. Slice your bread thick. We're gonna smush in this prawny mixture. Now, none of this like just a little bit, really load it on. I've really piled it on high. Loaded with the prawn paste with loads of chili, garlic, ginger. Smells amazing, and a thick white slice of bread. I'm going to sprinkle on these sesame seeds just on the prawny part. Normally prawn toast is deep fried. What I'm going to be doing here is shallow frying it in a little bit of butter, and it's going to be super indulgent and delicious. So I've got this nut brown butter. It looks and smells pretty tasty, and I did a 50/50 ratio of butter to oil.
Fried the prawn toast with the prawny side down first for 3 minutes, and then flip it over for another 2 minutes.
Look at these bites of goodness. They look so epic. It's not just like normal prawn toast, it's big prawn toast. We're not done here yet though, because I'm a fan of a double drizzle. We've got 2 of my favourite condiments, Kewpie and sriracha. Just give it a quick zhuzh. And then one of these guys. Katsuobushi or bonito flakes. These guys are going to add a little bit of saltiness as well as some cheeky movement. Take your fancy chef tweezers, but that's just going to garnish these to make them hairy in a good way. They're moving, they're dancing, they're moving, they're grooving, they're dancing. Okay, enough. Look how good that looks. I mean, stop. That's prawn toast like no other. Honestly, that is so good. You got ginger, garlic, chili, loads of fishy prawn. Like, not this like measly scraping. It is loaded. Also, and the little katsuobushi on top, so good. It gives it an extra little bit of seasoning, plus it's umami bomb, and then it's all cooked in butter. It makes it delicious. Alright, I'm gonna finish these off because they're pretty tasty. I can't stop eating. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you made This prawn toast, I would absolutely love to see it. Make sure you tag @Chef Philli on socials and I'll make sure to share it. And if you want to keep up with all my recipes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. And until next time, keep cooking. The rice flour just like went straight in my eye.